So it's trigonometry. I'm going to deal with miscellaneous exercises. The 10th sum is sin x is equal to 1 by 4, where x is in quadrant 2. X is in quadrant 2. Find sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. The moment they ask you for a half angle, what you should do is first do this. X is in quadrant 2. So x by 2 that you're going to find will be in quadrant 1. Okay, in quadrant 2 all school sign only is positive, so it's perfect what has been given. But you want half angles formula, which is 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. So cancel this, bring it down, take the square root. This cos x by 2 is 1 plus cos x by 2. You need a cos x. To find a cos x, yeah, you have to do a triangle, and sin x is opposite by hypotenuse, thus it will be root of 16 minus 1, root 15. So the cos x will be root 15 by 4 with a negative sign, because only sin can be positive, cos has to be negative. Okay, so you have to substitute here. So thus it will be root of 1 minus root 15 by 4 by 2 is equal to cos x by 2, because cos x order value is minus root 15 by 4. So when you take LCM, it's 4 minus root 15 by 8, or in other words it will be root of 4 minus root 15 by 2 root 2, or in other words if you rationalize it will be root 2 into 4 minus root 15 by 4. So if you had rationalized it like this, it will be root 2 into root 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, and thus this is the answer. So you can take this numerator into the whole root. So it's 2 into 4 minus root 15 by 4. So in that case it will be root of 8 minus 2 root 15 by 4. So these are all the possible ways of answering cos x by 2, which is positive because it lies in the first quadrant. So that completes the first part. Then you want to find sin x by 2. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. Take it down, do this. So root of 1 plus root 15 by 4, because cos x is negative, it becomes minus, becomes plus. So it will become root of 4 plus root 15 by 8, which is root of 4 plus root 15 by 2 root 2. So on rationalizing, this will become root of 4 plus root 15 into root 2 by 4. You can take the whole root inside, you'll get 8 minus 2 root 15 by 4. Is equal to cos x by 2 is equal to sin x by 2. And you know this answer also will be positive because it's in the first quadrant. Tan x by 2 is just sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. What is you can take, which we can take this value, which is sin x by 2 is root of 4 plus root 15 by 2 root 2 minus root of 4 minus root 15 by 2 root 2. So that 2 root 2 get cancelled, you get root of 4 plus root 15 by root of 4 minus root 15. On rationalizing this, it will be root of 4 plus root 15 by root of 4 plus root 15, which is denominator is a minus b into a plus b with the root, whole root. It's like this, root of 4 minus root 15 into root, whole root, okay, 4 plus root 15, which is a square minus b square. It will become 4 square minus root 15 the whole square. It will be 16 minus 15, so answer will be 1 in the denominator. So the denominator just becomes 1. So you have numerator, you will have root of 4 plus root 15 the whole square. The root and square can cancel. This 4 plus root 15 with a positive sign will be your final answer for tan x by 2, because x by 2 is in the first quadrant again. Hope you understood. So let's go to the next sum. 9th sum. They have given cos x is equal to minus 1 by 3, where x is in quadrant 3. Where x is in quadrant 3. So just draw this quadrant 3. X is in quadrant 3, x by 2. We have to find sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2. x by 2 obviously will be in the second quadrant. This is third and this is second, all school torture children. Thus you know that the given quadrant is third quadrant where x is lying, where tan only is to be positive. They have given cos, the cos is negative, which is perfect. You don't have to draw a triangle because cos has been given, and 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. So then 2 comes here and root comes here, so you know cos x directly. 1 minus 1 by 3 by 2, which is cos x by 2, which is root of 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6, which is root of 2 by 6, which is 1 by root 3. And you know you're finding cos x by 2, and x by 2 is in the second quadrant where sign only can be positive. The cos answer has to be negative. So minus 1 by root 3 is cos x by 2. Suppose you want sin x by 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. So this comes down, the root goes here, and it will become root of 1 plus 1 by 3 by 2, which will become 3 plus 1, 4 by 6, which is 2 by 3. So root 2 by root 3. Again, this is sin x by 2, and x by 2 in the second quadrant, sign can be positive. So suppose you want to rationalize this into root 3 by root 3, it will become root 6 by 3. Now this can be positive. Tan x by 2 is simply sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Take this value, so it's easier. Root 2 by root 3 by 1 by root 3 with a negative sign. Root 3 and root 3 get cancelled, minus root 2. Perfect. Tan x by 2 also has to be, tan has to be negative, so it's perfect. So let's go to the next sum, which is the 8th sum. The question is tan x is equal to minus 4 by 3. X is in quadrant